Welcome to the Pharma Voice Editor's Take video series, filmed live at the 2013 DIA Annual Meeting in Boston, hosted by Taryn Grome, editor of Pharma Voice. In this episode, Taryn meets with Matt Gross, director, SAS Health, Life, and Science Global Practice.
Matt, welcome to the 2013 DIA Editor's Choice video program.
Thank you.
Talk to us a little bit about how analysis and reporting solutions can help improve the efficiency and productivity of the drug development process.
Well, one exciting area that we're seeing now is around risk-based monitoring and taking information that's coming in from clinical trials and CROs and evaluating it to see where clinical trial sponsors like pharmas should be monitoring and sending their people, as well as looking at how to improve the quality of the information coming in through looking for anomalies in the data.
Great. Now, the topic of big data is on everybody's mind. What do companies need to do to manage in this new terabyte-rich data environment?
Well, from my perspective, everybody's talking about big data, but it's interesting because you actually need to get the right data and the relevant data. So where SAS is looking is really in the analytics, not only to bring the information together, but to filter it out to get to the information that's not only what you're looking for, but doing things like data veracity to make sure that you can trust the information within this. So it's really about getting it from big data to the right data.
What should companies look for when they're trying to evaluate how to get a global, scalable system for the future?
Actually, the thing that they really need to look for is making sure that it's accessible from everywhere and can aggregate information from many places. One of the challenges today in healthcare and life sciences is making sure that you can bring together information from different data sources, from unstructured and structured information, and then to make that information accessible in a relevant way to different people around the world. So when they're looking for global areas, it's about making sure the information can be brought together and to make it available and accessible to the right person at the right time.
What do you think some of the biggest challenges that your pharmaceutical customers are facing in terms of their IT?
Well, mainly it's about reusable and scalable. I think that's why you're seeing a lot of companies looking to the cloud. They don't want to have to hire those resources internally anymore. They want to have the availability to have services available on demand. From my perspective, I'm actually seeing a lot of companies looking at analytics as a service. They don't want to buy a solution anymore, they want to buy an answer. And to that, they want to have it on demand whenever and wherever they are. So that's where I think that IT companies, or the IT parts of companies, are looking to invest.
Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us. We really appreciate it.
It was my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Additional Editors Take videos, as well as podcasts, white papers, webinars, and more, are available in the resources area at www.pharmavoice.com.